Now we did the top, the sides. It's time to cut the back. We need a guide to cut the back, right? If I get a guide from here and push this back, it's gonna be too short, right? So what we're gonna do, right here in the middle a little bit. I'm gonna push this to the side to choose my length. And how am I gonna do it, right? I'm gonna take a section right on the occipital bone, and I'm gonna be cutting probably 2 fingers, right? And then I'll cut it. I'll just cut it like that, right in the center. So now I'm gonna go back in here, comb this down, and I'm gonna take my profile section. Now we're gonna start layering the back. Try to keep chest height, because so let's pick it up this here. So I don't know if you guys can see it. I have it here. My guide is right here in the middle. And then from here, I'll just go straight up. Boom. Fold. Now we pick it up everything from the bottom. Same down here. And I make my incision. Last piece, just normal to cut it. And then we create this beautiful layer. So what's gonna change in here, we're going square vertically, but horizontal, we're gonna go round. And how we do, we're gonna follow the head shape. Our hand is gonna be following the head shape. So what I'm gonna do, I'll comb all this out, and I know my first section was right here. I'm gonna come here, comb everything together, and then I'll divide it. That makes it easy for me and not lose my guide. Now we grab a new section, just like the top. I'm gonna be cutting this side. I'm gonna pull the head toward my body and put it this way. There's my guide. Put it back again. There's my guide of the last piece. Then we have it. Pick our next section. That's my guide. The guide that is right there behind. Next section. Good. Next section. Come this away. Now let's do the other side. You see side front sleek gorilla, just like that. I'll put it in my hand until it disappears. Once it kind of disappears, I'll just go internally first, because we're gonna diffuse. Now I can come on the top. Now we're gonna start drying this hair. I apply the product. After applying the product, framing exactly how I want the hair wants to sit, we're gonna start diffusing. I'm gonna diffuse this hair. Now guys, to finalize this hair, right, visually, you go trying visually to find the best. I'm gonna add some clipping here, another clip over here. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.